Well, it's May 4th. If you're a Star Wars nerd, May the 4th be with you. The sun is out. It's supposed to be almost 80 degrees today. So if you get a chance to go outside and just soak in some of the sun, I strongly encourage it. This is our last week of classes. I told you that in the email I sent on Friday. Um, but we're coming down to it, which on the one hand is sad. Um, this has been a very strange semester, as you're probably aware. Um, so I feel like I've gotten to know you as a class in a much different way than I've gotten to know any other class I've ever taught in my history as a teacher. And I will miss you guys. On the other hand, summer, huh? Who doesn't love summer vacation? So, um, just some reminders, things to think about. You should have gotten an email reminding you that you can do teaching evaluations, SOTES, SOTES, um, and you can and should do that. You can access it by going into Canvas as well. And on the bottom left-hand side, there should be a link for SOTES/SOLATES, and you can do teaching evaluations there if you want to. I wrote myself a list. You should have also gotten another invitation for Canvas, and that invitation is for you to go to an assessment Canvas shell. You should accept that invitation. You will eventually go and turn your ePortfolio in there. In addition to turning it in our Canvas site, you'll also turn it in there. And I'll explain that more. It's going to be due by the end of our final. So even though this is our last week of classes, we still do have a little time to sort of tie up loose ends and make sure that we've got all the things that we need to have. On Thursday, actually on Friday, the activity that you have to do is the annotated bibliography, which is described in the materials, and you can have that there. Just to be clear, where you will submit that is to your ePortfolio. So you'll do it in a Word doc and you'll upload it to your ePortfolio. So as long as I have the correct ePortfolio link for you, I'll be able to access your annotated bibliography of student work. You'll also end up putting your self-reflection there once you've revised it. So that's where you'll turn it in on Friday, and that's how I'll check and see if it's done in order to give you credit for it. I think that's all I have for today. Happy Monday. Have a good week, and I will be in touch periodically throughout the week, as I always am. You know how to get a hold of me. I'm here for you. Talk to you soon.